Hello traders, आज 4th of August and we are looking at euro dollar at 1 hour time frame. Price was in downtrend, but now after this big impulsive move, there has been a change of character because the price has broken above this strong high. इस strong high ने बनाया था ये नया low. उसके बाद price has broken above it, so it has given us a change of character. Now price is bullish and we'll be looking for opportunities to buy. Also, there is a sell opportunity here because on the bigger time frame, if you look at 4 hour time frame, there is a fair value gap present. There is this FVG which we can use. So we can mark this FVG here. You can see there's a 4 hour fair value gap, and if the price comes to this area, there will be an opportunity to sell. So also coming back to the 1 hour time frame, you know there the price will come back to this area. The reason for that is that this is the 50% value of Fibonacci. This is the equilibrium. So price क्या करता है, एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी स्वीप करने के बाद इट विल हंट फॉर इंटरनल लिक्विडिटी IRL, which is your internal liquidity in the form of fair value gaps or equilibrium. This is the point of equilibrium because there was this imbalance that was created by this big institutional buying. So for that, the price needs to come back to this area, to the equilibrium, to balance things out. मार्केट में बैलेंस बनाए रखने के लिए price has to come back to this area. So what we can do is, after the sweep of this liquidity, if the price comes to our 4 hour fair value gap, we can just place a sell order here. Just we need to place a sell order. Go to your MT5 app. You should know how to place a sell order. If you don't, then there is a video of how to place a sell order. You can go to our channel and look for that video. Price यहाँ आता है. This will be your entry. This will be your stop loss, and this is your entry here. And take profit of at least 1:3, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि प्राइस वैसे भी यहाँ तक तो आने वाला है ही. So the reason for that is the equilibrium पे price आएगा. And the other trade here is the buy trade. So the buy trade will be, if the price comes to this area first, what we can then do is we can place a buy limit order at this point here. Always draw a rectangle. Do not take a market execution. You should pre-mark your zones where you are going to trade. That way you will be able to trade better, control your psychology better, because market executions, what happens is, you know, you will be taking unnecessary trades which you shouldn't, and then even if you are profitable, ultimately, you will be uh, non-profitable. The reason for that is because you will be over trading, revenge trading, which is usually happens when you are doing market executions. So market execution is a big no for new traders. Always wait for the opportunity. So in this case, this is a 50% area of the Fibonacci retracement, which is our point of equilibrium. Anything below this is discount, anything above it is premium. So premium mein we sell and discount we buy. So this aligns perfectly with our premium and discount zones as well. And for confluence, there is one more factor. This area, this reacted as our resistance, a strong resistance. Price यहाँ तक आया, उसके बाद there was a strong rejection. So this is also an area of resistance which will now act as a area of support. This is how support and resistance flip their roles. Once they are mitigated, once they are broken, they will flip their roles. So keep that in mind. So look for multiple confluences whenever you are taking a trade. This is, first of all, we are taking a trade with the trend, which is the bullish trend here. So secondly, this is the 50% area of Fibonacci. And third, there is also a strong previous resistance which will now act as support. So we have three factors which are now making this a strong area of buy. So we can look for at least a 1:4 risk to reward, because whenever we have, we are trading with a trend, we should at least look for 1:4 or 1:5 risk to reward. If we are trading against the trend, we can look for 1:2 or 1:3. In this case, we are, even though we are trading against the trend, but we have that factor of 4 hour FVG, so that plays in our favor. let's see how these trades will play out. But this is the kind of setup that you should analyze and make sure that sit on the chart for only half an hour to 45 minutes maximum in a day, and then mark your zones, place your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit, and then you can go about doing your daily things that you have to your job or wherever you have to do go. This is, you don't need to spend all day on charts, because spending too much times on the chart doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to be profitable. Keep it simple, and keep it the way it is supposed to be, which is one or two good setups in a day.